When I first came to Malaysia from Japan, one thing really shocked me, the aircon in the house, hotel, shopping mall, everywhere, cold. Man says you. I was like, Sama-chan, is Malaysia always do ice bath challenge? What? Apa tu ya? First time I masuk Uniqlo Malaysia, I was so blue, confused. Kenapa this whole country Malaysia is selling food and winter coat? I asked my local friend like this about that. He said, the one for winter holiday, Belgium, Japan, UK, Korea trip. Pergi sana sejuk. I believe him. Tapi actually, the coat is for movie, theater, but one day I went to shopping mall. Dalam 20 minutes, I was shaking. Sejuk like rasa macam musim sejuk Jepun. Tak boleh tahan. Need to warm up. So I walked into hot pot restaurant. And then I ordered hot pot. Tapi even after eating hot pot over and over, my body still didn't warm up. Masih sejuk. Because the rest are also freezing. I told the staff, sorry, a bit cold. So she just pressed the button to light hot pot heater. Bukan. Aircon punya. Then some Malaysia always say, I want to go to Hokkaido. Mau and the dapat experience in the winter season. But let me tell you, want to feel winter season? Man, senang. It's easy. Wear your coat, put on your muffler, bring your luggage, then just go to your nearest shopping mall. Don't forget, jangan lupa ya, buy some Hokkaido souvenir from the shopping mall. Hokkaido Taruto also have